Do you want to know how you can access Dropbox files? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to Programming Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can access the files on your Dropbox. So there are two ways. The first way is to open Dropbox.com on your browser. You can see that this is your Dropbox account. You can go ahead and open your folder and access these files over here. Now you can edit all of these files, you can delete it, you can do anything with it, you can share it, and all of these functions you can go through. The second option is to install Dropbox, and you can see this Dropbox icon on your start menu. So go ahead and tap on it, and you can see this is for your Dropbox on your file explorer. You can see the Dropbox folder over here. If you click on it, the Dropbox folder will open up. Go inside your folder and you can see that you can access your files easily. So these are the two ways how you can access Dropbox. If you want to go to the web version of Dropbox, you don't need to open these. What you can do is just go ahead and tap on it and click on this web icon. After you open the web icon, you can see the Dropbox will open it at here as well. So guys, this is how you access the Dropbox files. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.